In this video, I'm working with my class on how to kind of create a character design for Little Red Riding Hood, but what they wanted to do is make them kind of like a boy character. And it turned out that we ended up talking a lot about the differences between a height in the characters. And I wanted to kind of show you the 8 head technique again. And there's a separate video for that as well. But when you have 8 heads, you can just simply knock off a few, and then you have like a child character or a kid character. Think about how old the character is, and if you've seen a real person, how old, actual kids are in real life, how tall can they be? Sometimes I think about the heads in a different fashion too, especially if you're creating a more cartoony character. But this one is going to be a little bit closer to a kind of a realistic kind of looking character. Thanks for watching.